Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video up. You don't know it, go already.
If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Donette Campbell is the person you should reach out to.
Who is it? Hello? Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How can I help you?
Well, I heard that somebody here goes by the name of Patricia Guthrie, and I'm looking for her because I need to talk to her about something very, very important, Mom.
Oh, what she do now? I know how we attack. What she do?
No, man, I think I'm related to that person.
You?
Yeah.
Where you from? Come in, really letting people in my yard, so you know.
I know I'm a stranger, but I just want you to help me to find that person.
You look like a very nice person, but me no know. Me no really trust people to let them in a place like this, you know, but you look like you're a very nice girl. Anyway, turn on, let me see if you have any weapon on your cause. Me no know who you be. Me can't just let you in a place like that. All right. You...
In peace.
Okay, you look clean. What's your name again?
My name is Cindy.
Cindy. And where are you from?
Mongrel.
Who is your relative?
Well, maybe Patricia.
Who?
Maybe Patricia. Maybe that's the person.
Come in. I know who you talk.
Thank you.
I know Patricia.
Thanks.
Anyway, come right here, so. I don't bite people, you know, but listen to me. What's your name? Cindy. Anyway, Cindy, I don't really want to let you in my house because I don't know you like that. You understand? I don't really want no stranger going in my house. But anyway, you can come sit over here, so. And anything you have to tell me about Patricia, you can tell me.
Okay.
Have a seat. Mind you fall over though. You're welcome. Yes, so what about this person that you're looking for, Patricia?
Well, Mom, I recently found some letters in my mommy's closet. I guess she was hiding them from me. I was adopted, so probably this Patricia lady might be my mother.
Adopted? Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. My daughter.
You're Patricia?
Jesus. God. Me look all over the place here, me can't find you, me can't believe say you this, you grow big. Look how you get big. Jesus Christ. Me suffer.
Mommy, why you give me away in the first place? I don't want to know.
Listen to me, the doctor, I swear, and I tell no lie. Your father wasn't a supporter. Or the worst man me ever get in my real life. Me did a suffer with you for the 9 months where you're in my belly. My daughter, me don't know about the name Cindy, your name Abby. Abby your name. Abby your name, my daughter, remember? But me know say you did adapt. So then change your name. That man is a wicked man. The man from me get pregnant with you in my belly. Not even a pin or a nappy. No shimmy is nothing. Me have to walk and wash people's dirty clothes. Sweep up people's yard. And the dollar when me get, I hit me use and buy baby clothes for you. Me never want you dead for hungry. Me never live nowhere proper. You're a young baby. And things that me I go through, me never want you go through it. So the best thing me did have to do in a real life is to give you up for adoption. You ask if you forgive me, please. But at least you grow up and you pass the worst. Thank you, Jesus. Me look for you till me weak. Me couldn't find you, I swear to God, God is so good. Me did I suffer with you. Your father, he dead and gone. The way in wickedness kill him. He walk me and say walk and breed how much he had a woman. And left the pitney them without father, then fatherless, and you one. But God is with you. The people them take care of you good, do my daughter. God no, look there. I can't believe for my daughter. Nice, you don't have no boyfriend.
You know what?
You don't have no boyfriend. No make no man do you like what they do me. I was a foolish mother. I made this idiot that is your father. And I have unprotected, you know what I mean with him. That's how you come. Me and him never like they in a real life live together. But no one again he come over me house. And him one, so me sure say your daddy. But he's just a sperm donor, he's not a good man. Thank God he's alive and well. Thank you, my daughter, come in. You can come inside now, he's not a stranger. Yes, we could go inside. You want something to eat? We can give you food, anything, because God help me now. We can go inside. Oh God. We can go inside. We can go inside. Come inside. Can I sit down just a little bit?
Oh, nice.
Aubrey, me so happy me find you. I swear. Me can't believe say me really see you back in my life again. Although you get so big. Me happy, God know. Anyway, Aubrey, feel comfortable. This is my daughter. That means you are my family. Don't be afraid to walk around, watch a TV, can go in the kitchen. Anything you see in there to eat, you can go in the fridge. Anything at all you want, cook, you cook it, anything. The bathroom is right there, the kitchen is over there. And the room around there, so? You can sleep in another room. This is my room. But you can come in here so and sit down and, you know, get look like cool breeze where you come through your window. You understand? And feel happy. Nobody sad up yourself. Because I happy this time of my life, this just forgot you back in my life.
You know how to feel now way, Miss Patricia. I understand.
Hold on there, my daughter. You don't have to call me Patricia. You don't have to. You can say mommy.
I understand, but I found the letters and while reading them I realized you actually did a try and you were in a bad position, so you basically did want the best for me. I'm not hate you. I really and truly understand the struggles what you were going through.
Okay. Thank you. I'm glad you understand. Anyway, never run go out on the road.
Yeah man, sure.
Because I have something very important to want to start out, especially how you come back in my life. I definitely have to go start out it. Alright, this one come back here.
Yeah man, no problem.
You make yourself at home, man. You feed up your face. That is nice.
Alright?
So you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, man. It's comfortable. I'm love it. I'm a room spacious. I never have such a big room before, you know. I like it. So, yeah, cook.
I don't know what you eat, you know.
I love curry. Actually, I love curry.
You love curry?
I get it from you?
No, master.
I love curry, so I'm okay for curry.
I want me curry give you. Curry chicken back. And some white rice.
I'm for mutton. Heck. Alright.
I can't go cook the mutton today.
Alright, it's fine.
But maybe cooking mutton give you one next day, but not today. But me have some chicken back in my fridge with some turkey neck.
Chicken not nice.
So
Feel work with it.
yes. Alright.
Oh. I want to run go home for some clothes. I just live an hour away. I just go pack a bag with some clothes and come back. I don't have no panty, no rag, no toothbrush. And it don't make no sense I stay and I don't have no clothes.
You sure say you're coming back?
Me I come back. Why am I not tell you that?
Because me don't want to lose you again.
You not lose me, Miss Patricia. Mommy, me I come back.
Me understand, no worry. No worry about it.
It's just an hour away.
Me understand about the Patricia part. Alright. You can go on. No, me not feel no way. Me understand, man. Me understand. Me must say I know me a go already, know, so it go kind of hard for you get it. For say, mommy. But you'll get used to it one day. Anyway, me go look about something in the kitchen. You hear? Alright.
Are you sure you don't feel no way?
No, me not feel no way.
Alright.
Me understand. Me must say I know me a go already. You will get used to the moment one day.
Alright, may I come back here? Alright.
So dry and pull out so. Like I saw me did left it. Hold on there. So this never almost full. Maybe I saw it did stay. No.
Mom, I'm back. Dada.
You alright?
Alright.
I wonder if you did a come back, you know.
No, none of that. Taxi hard to forget. I swear to God. You know, I want to load a man to fail me get a taxi, you know. Push me in a taxi. Taxi hard to forget, I swear. Yeah, man. I'm hungry. I cook.
I need to talk to you before I talk to you about that cooking thing. Listen to me carefully. I no quarrel with you. I just need to find out what is going on in this house. Because I don't have nobody else to come here. I don't normally let in people in my house. You understand? I just you as my daughter I let in. I don't let in people in my house to go and take anything. And I realize, say, when I go in the kitchen, how much juice gone and snacks and all kind of something. But it is okay if you drink the juice them and eat whatever because you say you did hungry, right? But me have one little saving with some silver in my room. Sorry. And me take out some silver out of my purse. As me about to put down the silver in my little saving pan, me realize say the silver them gone down. And it did almost full. No, it gone way down. Me no understand. Me no know how it missing. So I just asking you if it's you take it out.
Mommy,
Me not judge you wrongfully, no. Me not call you thief. Me just ask you one question.
okay. I'm not say you judge me, but how you talk is like you want to point finger at me. And Miss Patricia, me and a thief. I never thief nothing in my life yet, me and a thief. So basically, how you talk, you blame me. It's not like you ask me. Me and a thief, I never grew up so. I never touch your silver. I might take out your juice, a few of them, but I never thief your silver them.
Remember before me start talk, me tell you say, me not judge you. Me never say you. Me just want to know if it's you take it out. I'm just asking you a question. So if I you, just tell me. And if I know you're fine, me just ask you. Because I realize say it gone down because it did up further than that. It almost full and it missing.
I'm not tell you say you're wrong because of your house, you know where you put on, you know where everything there, you know the amount of everything. I never touch your silver, them men a thief.
Okay, alright, you say no, you're fine. That's okay because me not really want the relationship between like a mother and daughter mash up it again because of something we're missing in my house. Maybe I'll make mistake and leave the door open and somebody come in and you not see them. And them take it out. But next time, if that you do, when you're inside, if you're going to the bathroom, please close the door.
Yeah, man.
Because I not judge you wrongfully. I just want to know if I you.
Yeah, I know me.
Because I never really miss nothing in my yard yet, you know. My gate ever close, and I ever close my door. If me even sit down outside, me close my room door. Yes, because I don't want nobody going there behind my back. Anyway, you see, you figure about that. I'm glad to see you again. Yes, thank God you come
I'm
back.
glad for the year and like I said, I love my room. I never have a room so big yet, I just feel comfortable. And food there enough. Which family did them if I get no food? I eat, but I don't know like here. So here so I can eat and eat 10 more time afterwards.
And you look like you love the food.
Of course.
Alright, my daughter. Thank God you come back.
Oh God.
Just carry your bag and go put it in your room.
Alright. Share the food, please.
Alright.
Alright.
What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God.
Pastor Bernard. You love beachy? You love beach, so? How you not swim today? You taking the sun?
Well, Sister Patrice, this is the right time for you. Come on the beach. You only get to see them sitting at one time because the sea is now seeing its period, you know.
How?
Yeah, that's why you see them something there night. But you know, sometimes you have to get away from this social media and everything. Yeah, so I'm exploring life. Oh.
You remember from them long time they used to tell about my daughter, so I did give her away and I search all over the place and can't find her. Me finally meet her.
A lie.
Yes.
Congrats, man. So how she do?
You know, say, I come to talk to you about something. When I meet her, you know, I just take her in. I know I'm my daughter, I'm glad to see her and happy and everything. You know, I don't have no other family but she.
She get fat.
Get fat? Pastor, if I fat you when they get fat, you wouldn't so bad. Nothing can stay in my yard in a piece. Everything disappear and I know she. And me and her alone live there.
I don't want to judge her and get anything. You sure that is she taking anything that's there? Because you don't want to judge, you know. You understand? You don't want to judge and judge her wrongfully. You sure?
I never say she. But me and she alone live there and nothing never used to miss from my house. Cause me ever lock up my yard. Me we all sit down in the yard and my door closed. Nothing never used to miss out there. So me just come to talk to you if you tell me what to do. Cause me no want to go judge her wrongfully. Me no want to go lose her. Look how long from she had baby me give her away. Now me see her back. Me afraid for y'all go talk to her and to ask her if she because me no want to go.
Well,
Leave her alone and she gone.
Sister Patrice, the best advice I can give you, is, and I don't want you to take it wrong, but the best thing I can tell you to do is set up a little device we can record her and see if there is a thief in there. Because you don't want to judge her, because what is one of the worst thing is when somebody call thief on your name and it's not you. That's one of the worst feeling ever, and they don't want to do that. You understand? They don't want to have that guilt to live with, that you're judging her wrongfully. So if it's, but be happy that you find what your daughter do.
Okay, Pastor, thank you.
Yeah, man. But what I'm doing, as I say, the sea is actually seeing this period, and
Okay.
I like to come here and just look and watch it clean, because it's clean in itself. You understand?
Pastor, let me make you know where I go on. Little more.
Yeah, man, and you must learn to go live, go see nature. Come off of the social media, man. No,
Alright.
it's like nobody now live as human being again. It's just work and just go home, and that's everything.
Alright, sir.
You have to live.
Yeah. Aubrey?
Hmm?
May I come out on the road here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm there.
You can't tidy up your room, you know.
Yeah,
You know, say, even though you not grow with me, you're a big girl now, 19-year-old.
I got tidy it up.
But look how you play stay.
I just
Look
need
where you wear your shoes, them and you put them down. Anyway, keep your place clean, please. Please, my beg, just keep your place clean. You don't like see your place untidy.
I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it.
The bed spread and nice and everything. You put on clean sheet though, pretty sheet. I wish when I dry them I get that sheet out of.
The big one.
Okay, anyway, this I did my birthday, I may get that sheet of fella, but it's alright.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. May I go up on the road?
Alright.
Alright, come here.
You know.
Okay. You alright?
Hmm?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm just did I watch a movie and I fall asleep.
You watch movie whole time from me gone?
I clean up though. It's just that I watch a movie after I fall asleep.
Alright then.
Yeah.
I take a lie down.
Alright, mommy.
I really feel my daughter do this? But she a thief, man. Aubrey,
Yeah.
sit up, let me talk to you.
What is now, man? I hope you not come with the same phonish like the last time. Because the last time you do this and you come in here, you say you want to talk to me and you accuse me of me not take nothing. Me not touch nothing. Me not go in your room from morning.
Me know you're not going there, but I need to talk to you.
Alright.
Aubrey, let me sew shirt out of my dresser drawer inside my room. You can't tell me if it's you take them out? Or what you do, take them out to wash them or what? You know about it?
Me not touch your clothes. Me not go in your room from morning. That's what I've been saying. Me not go in your my day in my room from morning, You just come. I'ma tell you something. Just wake up. Me not touch nothing in your room. Your clothes them can't fit me, mommy. Look how me slim. Look how me maga.
And you not take up no money from in there.
No. The little money when I have the 5 bills where you give me. I'ma buy something on the road already.
Aubrey,
Mommy,
how will you be?
what you mean?
Me take you in as my daughter. Me not do no DNA. You understand? And me not understand what's going on in my life right now. Aubrey, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Are you a compulsive liar? Because you see, liar and thief walk together. Once you lie, you're a thief. So, Aubrey, if you take anything from me as your mother, you can speak the truth and tell me that is you take it. You don't have to take it and tell me that it is not you.
So you not listen to nothing what me say. Me just a tell you say I'm not a thief. Me not grow up as a thief and me a talk to you and you not listen to nothing. You still a blame me.
I am not blaming you. I'm just asking you
Me
few
not
questions in general.
take nothing. Me not take nothing. Or is it that you want me to go back when me come? It come like my foster mother did better. You want me to pack up my things and go on because it come like you don't miss me, you're not glad for see me, you're not glad some day in your life.
Faster who?
My foster mother, it come like she did better.
Aubrey, even though, as I said before, even though I did not do any DNA, I just take you in as my daughter because I give up my daughter to adoption. That doesn't mean that you're supposed to talk to me underneath this roof when me suffer and wash people dirty clothes, sweep up people dirty yard, and walk round and beg people things. If you can't build this, please speak to me with respect. So if you know that your foster mother was a better person than me, why you don't leave Abby? Me I fear wonder if my own curse. Because Abby, I believe that every word that come off of your tongue is a lie.
Alright. Since I lie me I tell, you know what me I go do? Me I go pack my bag and me I go leave. Me overstay my welcome. And me can't see it by your face, me see it all over you. Me I go leave and go back to my foster mother.
So at this it come down to?
But no more.
You ready to leave?
Yes, me I leave because you have me in your house. And you make me feel like this big thief will just walk come through the front door. And me I tell you say me a thief. And you still
Okay.
a drill it in my head.
Aubrey, if he is not a thief, he is a what?
Me just a normal person. What kind of question that you ask me, mommy?
Aubrey, look into my eye then. Look into my eyes, Aubrey.
Me no need to.
See, they have no manners. You is not only a thief. You is a unmanners Leslie little rat. You finger them where God give you. You leave them at the foster home, you need to go back for them. Because these fingers is not yours, that the devil give you them.
Alright,
You need to sit down. I am not finished with you. Me not done with you yet. Me not done with you.
Where you gonna call police? For look how close? What me tell you I'm a thief?
Aubrey, you're my daughter. I'm not calling the police on you, but me just want to show you how you're dishonest and wicked and thief. Hold on, let her look for it. And turn it up, make you see something. I have something very important to show you. You know that person?
Sir, I have something for confess.
Give me the phone. I'm asking you a question. Do you know this person? Don't shake it off for me. You know this somebody?
Yes, mommy.
What about this person? Because I don't know the person. I mean, need to know that kind of person there.
What's wrong with me? Something wrong with my fingers. I have this
No,
thing.
talk a little louder. Me not hear what you say. What you say? Something wrong with your who?
My fingers. My been a steal. I have this thing, but I just can't stop thief. Me your daughter, yes, but I can't stop thief. And it's been a problem I have for my whole life. I've been a thief.
What you say? Something wrong with your finger them? All your life, you've been stealing. You need to pray. You need to pray and take off that thieving spirit there out of you. Because you know the only reason why I won't call police on you? You is my daughter. But what about when you go outside and steal somebody's stuff and then call police on you? Them go call me because I'm your mama. And then you leave me in a problem.
I feel I want to curse. I don't know. I just have this curse.
Hold on there. You tell me, say your hand them enough for you. I mean, I like other people and touch me. Listen what I say. You have a thieving spirit inside of you. It's upon you and it's right round you. You need to get off that. You need to learn to pray. You ever pray yet?
No.
I am going to take you to a pastor to get rid of this thieving spirit. Else you're going to put me and yourself in a trouble. And a matter of fact, how will you get this thieving thing from? So no, all your life you're a thief.
When I don't want the item, even when I something when I don't want, I take it.
You're rough. So all your life you're a thief. Nobody never catch you yet and police never lock you up yet. You never get charged with it.
I'm always in a problem with it, yes, but
Are you still do it? God forbid.
yeah, stop.
I need to.
Why you help me?
You sure you need my help? Because right now, me I wonder if I curse me whom curse. If you have such a daughter, nice pretty girl like you, and use a finger simit. Aubrey, looking at my face. Aubrey, look at me. You is an original thief. You need to stop. Stop! Else you're going to end up at jail. And anyhow, you make no police call me. You go disown you. Remember that. Because me no like thief. Me are no thief. And as bad as your dirty pooper, whenever turn up to your responsibility and support you and make me end up if send you go adoption place. Him is not a thief. Me not tell no lie pa no man. What due to Caesar, give it to him. Your father was a hard-working man. He just wicked and no want to stand up to his responsibility. And say, nah, mind you. Somebody depend me one. I mean, never want you suffer. That's why I give you away. Aubrey, God Almighty, me thank God you come back in my life, but me not like thief. You need to change your dirty ways. Change your dirty ways. You hear what me say? Change your ways. You need to go kneel down and pray and ask God to forgive you for the people, them things where you take already, although me don't know where they in there, because you can't carry nothing where I know me give you or where you work for. You can't carry in here. So if you plan all your whole entire little rest of life where you have left, pan God earth, for thief, plan to leave from around me. Me done right there, so you hear what me say? And me go okay, go pastor. End of story.
This would be a revelation. this would be
Brother Bernard,
revelation.
good day.
Good day.
You remember the other day when I come to you and talk to you about my daughter? Every time me and me sitting at the house, and you did tell me, say, I must set the camera to make sure who I do it. Me set my phone, me put it on the video, and me set it and tell her, say, me I go somewhere, me soon come back. You know, so me catch her, she the thief out my money and my things them. She name out everything out of the kitchen. Everything gone. She take away the whole of my silver them, all my clothes them gone too. Also my clothes them can't fit her, so I don't know what she go do with it. The little girl thief, so till. No thief no in my family. So if she thief, I know me she get it from and for me side of family them, me no know she thief so. She too thief and me can't manage the thiefing. You know, so the little girl looking at me eye and tell me say, I don't me, I know me thief it. No, me not trouble your things. So when me back out the phone now, I ask her who this if she know that person here. She start stutter. Then she start talking truth.
Yeah, what you gonna do? Then you I go home. You're gonna find one virgin white dress. And if it has been worn, it must be worn by a virgin. Right?
A virgin white dress.
Put on the pan her and bring her come. Make me wash her off. It's obvious that she have a thieving demon inside her. And we have to get it out. Because the same demon is the same demon that's possessing the politicians them and who's in higher society. That demon is taking over right now. So we have to go get her to come and wash her off and I see one. As me say, a virgin white dress.
But Pastor, the way she thief, she could never be a virgin, but me we get the white dress still.
Just one. I'll come.
Alright.
Yeah?
Okay.
I'll go to pray for you.
God have mercy. Little girl, get up, get up. Get up, man, get up. Get up, and for me there go. Oh, Tada.
No, wow.
Oh, Tada, no, what? That's so Tada, eh? You want to continue, thief? Me, I can you go to the pastor for him pray for your top thief for the phone hall. You must be mad. Come on, to the clan back, pastor. See, Lily girl, you see each other no manners. Anything you can do for me today, if you take out the thieving spirit from out her, please can't take it out. Turn around now, man.
Top thief! Top thief!
Come back up here, sir. Come back up here, sir.
Top thief! Top!
Oh, hello! Pastor, I know that me did come, but...
Top!
Jesus Christ.
Top
Lord of
thief!
Jesus. Pastor, come here, sir.
Listen.
Come here.
We need some wire brush for her. We need some wire brush for her.
Look here.
Listen, you have to beat out the demon out of her. Little girl.
Pastor, Pastor. Please, me I go to same church, I'm a pastor. Me no want me up. Me never carry my daughter up here for your beat her. You the murder her like I say, you're your woman and your yard have sitting. Pastor, nobody with it. If you pray for her, you pray for her. Pray for her in the name of Jesus. Nobody with it. Come here, we war out here, please. Pray for my daughter.
Stop it, man. Thieving is not good. You want Papa take you and put you on the knee there? Say you're a thief? Eh? You don't look good. For a pretty young girl. For a pretty young girl.
Yes.
It's not a nice thing to thief. You see? It's not nice. And you woman get anything from any man what they want. Dear Lord, as I come to you today, I talk to you, talking to you to take out this thieving demon out of this girl, dear Lord. Bind it up in the name of Jesus, wash her off with your blood. And as we wash her off in the Spirit, wash her off in the name of the Holy Ghost.
Nobody dip her in her water, Pastor.
Just
no, not dip her in there, Pastor, not dip her in there.
wash your foot, wash her.
Okay, make him wash his foot then, but not dip her in there, because I one dress she have and me no want it wet up.
You know, when you come out of this water, you shall walk with a clean heart, a clean soul. You shall not thief again. You're gonna walk with me. Wash off the water, wash off all the thiefiness off of you. It wasn't that bad, right? All you have to do is just pop it. It not look good. A woman name, things come to you easy. Alright? Sister Patricia, she is now washed off in the spirit and the water and the blood. She is now a clean girl.
Thank you, Pastor.
Yeah, man, go on with her.
What,
As I
Pastor?
say, remember that little talk we have? She's calm, you see how she calm? Remember that little talk?
Pastor, when
What?
you did a prayer and you said man give woman anything, and where they tell me that if you do? What that man? Pastor.
And sometimes not everything what people say, when you go fast to pick it up. Sometimes not everything must come out clear enough. So if you can't pick it up,
You understand what they say?
yeah,
All right.
you understand. She understand what I say too.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Alright.
See you in church Sunday, sir.
Alright, I'm gonna walk my straight of glory by and by.
Hello? What you mean when I'm there? Me not tell us I'm down at the lady yard. She not there, she not there, she not there. You know, so the other day, me end up a thief some stuffs from the lady. Me thief 2 times. But the second time I thief from her, she catch me. So guess what? You see the next time me a thief from her, me a move with every single thing. She can't know, man. She take me and thinks that me her daughter. But the truth she don't know, say, me a lift up with the house here. No, girl, a long time I do them something. You know, say me a bad thief. Bad, big thief. I so go cook. I day I live my best life. I just eat and I sleep. I must gain weight when me done, you know. But like I say, I not stay here so too long. I just want to move with everything in that door. Yeah, man. She think me her daughter. The lady is so naive. Later, I have things to do. Bye, baby. My friend called me. I'm going to do drink water. Talk to my friend.
What? You don't know what? You want to tell little girl? You want to tell me say you don't know what? You really are looking at me 2 eyes them? Little girl. Like seriously? Me's not your mother?
Why would you not say that? Why would you say that?
What make you wicked so?
I don't understand.
Little girl. You is a wicked, heartless, cruel. Me not even know if it describe you say. Jesus Christ. Where you come from? So if you is not my daughter, I want my daughter. I owe you. Get up. Get up. I owe you.
First you say my teeth. No, I don't know.
Oi. Where you come from? Where you come from and where my daughter there? I owe you.
Where you talk about? Mommy, stop. Where you talk about?
Mommy? Don't mummy me. If you mummy me one more time, I shut your box. Me's not your mother. A long time I know say you're a thief. But me just take you in circumstances, let me take you in my life. And this you do is a wicked, heartless little girl. Where my daughter? Where is my daughter?
Alright. No. Miss, mama tell her. I go tell her the truth.
Talk fast. Talk fast before me give you 2 out of 5.
Alright.
Right now.
No need for that.
Me say you must start now. You is my daughter.
Alright, miss. Alright, miss. May I tell her. Alright.
Talk fast. No. And you can't run. Me, I'll let you go. You can't run.
Alright.
When me daughter there,
Mama,
you are not my pick-me. You too thiefy be my daughter. Me did know from the beginning. But circumstances make me take you in my life. I owe you.
Alright.
Who you?
Mama explain, Mama explain.
Who you, me say?
This is Oiko.
Mommy, what are these?
This paper.
Look at them now. Letters.
Where you find it?
My mom been writing. And you hide them. Why?
Like a girl. When a girl and teacher say you know fit search for you don't put down.
It don't matter at this point, mommy.
It's only a thief searching where they not put down, you know?
So why you hide all these letters from me?
Them.
After I thought she was dead.
Right now, you shouldn't consider her dead. You see, if your mother did want it in the first place, she would never give you up for adoption. She would never... Little girl, you know the amount of sleepless night me have? You know the amount of sleepless night me have? Alright, promise me have to make you sleep at night time, you know?
Well,
Me
I'm
treat you bad?
grateful. You don't.
So what is the problem?
But I deserve to know the truth. Suppose I could at least bond with her a little and get to know her maybe. I don't know. I still deserve to know my real mom despite what might have took place at the time.
So what you are telling me, sir, ungrateful role you play for me now?
No, never. But I'm upset. This is unfair. You lied to me. That's betrayal. You lied to me.
Girl, what can I lie me tell you? You find
You
some
told
letter
me
where...
she's dead.
To me she dead.
And you hide all those letters?
Me consider her dead. Look how you nice. You think some me could I ever give birth to you and go put it on one place? Girl, no care how life hard. Me never did a part of this. You think some me go part with you now? Let me ask you one question. You think you fear for me part with you now?
No.
No. No, because you're grown now and she feel like so she can't take you up and spoil you up. And on me dead body she can't get you. So you make up your mind. Make up for your mind.
So what? You have to choose?
Girl, I can't peace.
You're trying to say I have to choose, mommy? Mommy?
Choose. I can't peace. Me have to go chop cane and them get...
I'm not trying
Look
to be
here.
ungrateful. Just calm down. I should be the one to be upset. Calm down, mommy. I appreciate you. I'm grateful. I love you. Still, that doesn't give you the right to lie to me for so long. I think going back to the home is the best thing to do right now. I can't stay with you.
You know amount of half-hand partner me show much time to take care of people I'll call me thief. For me own money when me work hard for show half-hand partner. What you say a while ago? You go back to your homes?
I think here's the best place to go right now.
After me build my establishment and my foundation, you tell me say you go back. Hold on. Oh, you said you study at school for do again, liar. Pack up, galang if you want, galang.
You're a liar though. You're a great liar.
Galang.
Trickster. No, me not stay here, no, mommy. Me not stay here with you. Me no matter what you want to say. Me not ungrateful, but me not stay. Me not staying. Give me a goodbye, oh.
Don't touch me. An ungrateful role you play for me. That's why sometimes when people are adopt me, they have to do a little survey and do some little background check. You understand? Don't touch me. After so much sleepless night me have for your little girl, I know a doubt if you know how to watch. All me teach you, me have to still watch your clothes. And 2 little letter you find, you can't give me peer attitude and I can't go and yourself and a pack up bag. You think so home's the best place here? You think so? You want to have your own way. As when time you get big on you show on yourself and show up on yourself and one way you want to have. Give me a bag. Give me the bag.
Mommy, not fighting with them. Mommy, me not fighting with. I need to go. Should I call the police? I need to go.
Yeah, how old again?
I'm just 19.
Galang. Don't touch me.
If you need me, you call me.
If you need me, you know which part to find me.
Yo, look at you, sir. Eh? So, box on your box, eh? Box on your, eh? Box on your, eh? That you say? Yeah, thief, you come to my house, eh? You come to my house, come take up a thing, man. I hear me step on the camera. Come this backside, man. Yes, yes, your name? Eh?
Yeah. Father in there.
Your father in there? Down here. Yes, yes, your name? Eh?
We can't manage it, yeah?
Can't manage you, eh? Manager want manage me? Hold on, you still live? No, Mr. Brown live in that place here. Mr. Brown! Mr. Brown! What mean say what go on there, sir?
Wait, hold up my daughter for?
What mean say hold up my daughter? A police mission call right now.
Alright, here, relax.
What mean say relax?
What she do?
What mean
Yo,
say...
move here.
Step aside, man. Yo,
What you say she do?
listen to me first before you step into this. The girl thief my laptop, thief my baby bicycle. Or if you thief laptop and baby bicycle? Hey, check yourself, you know. My laptop what I use for make me pick me watch because I can't afford a tablet. Eh? You know what's work more
Here
for
we go. Here we go. Me know you and you know me. So here, maybe take care, right? Don't worry yourself. Just tell me how much you thief, what you thief, how much it costs.
You know, hear me I say? She thief my laptop and she thief my baby bicycle. And
Alright,
tell them.
Don't worry yourself.
Eh?
Me take care, right? Me take care, right? Me take care, right? Don't worry yourself, man. Me take care, right? Then,
So you take care, right?
don't worry yourself.
No, me have to worry more. I things more now. Me come and say, you see me come and say, play around, go give me some money, if left off my spot. That's if it do.
I don't have the money for me right now, but we go bank and dry and deal with it.
Mr. Brown.
You know me live, you know?
Mr. Brown.
Me not run go nowhere, you know me live.
Mr. Brown, the only reason why me I go adhere to what you say right now is because I know where you live.
Don't worry yourself.
You understand me I say?
Turn up, person. Me deal with it. Don't worry yourself. Me deal with it. Turn up right now, man.
No, understand what kind of girl is that? What kind of girl you raise, man?
Don't worry yourself, man. Me deal with it. Everything good, man. Alright? Everything good, man.
Mr. Brown.
Cindy, you know, see a disappointment, you know. May have that discussion already. So one of you can leave it alone. And you still go through the process that. Listen, man, I know it's not like the man I tell. And the first year I do this. I mean, you talk about this already. Say anything you want, you ask me for it, me give it to you. And from me take it from my homes now, you come here, call live, you know. Me realize say you have got thieving tendency, you know. I'm gonna tell you, say, anything you want, I'll give it to you. And see what happen here now. So you know, you push me hand to the limit now. Never send back all the ones, you know.
What? How are you, sir? Sky? I hear so I see anywhere there.
What's up? Just coming back.
What you mean just coming back? I don't see you for long and you just pop up, sir.
Well, I saw it go well. I'm not so good, you know. The truth is that after I leave the home, you know, I started living with some people. I found a letter in the wardrobe.
You not confront her?
Well, in a way I did. It still never make any sense. Right? The letter state that the reason why my real mother gave me up for adoption is because she didn't want to struggle with me. Plus my father, my real father, wasn't the one to support her. He wasn't supportive.
I never understand that you did go through. I think say real parents, you know. You try for meet your new mother. You and your mother.
Meet her for what?
What you mean?
Why would a sensible lady give up her child for adoption? Why? Despite the struggle. Why?
I understand, but you say you read the letter, right? She couldn't manage you. Obviously, the deadbeat father never did go do nothing. And you not try for meet her?
So why adoption had to be her first option? Why? It makes sense?
I can't answer that fear, but I'm saying it's best to try and find her. So I'm gonna ask you a question.
What that?
What you do? Move, come back at that homes here?
Yeah. But me think so you live with somebody too, so how comes me I see you here now? What got done?
You know me stay already. I love thief.
Wow.
No, it's not a good thing, I know, but my finger fearing.
Proud thief.
I'm not so I'm proud that I just I said this to you. But it caused problem and them no want me no more. Anyways, no worry about me. Me a thief, I can probably fix that. But
what?
you didn't find out your mother name? Like what's she name, where she live?
I think it's Patricia Guthrie.
Patricia Guthrie. And where she live?
Petersfield. Them say the letter say. I'm not sure yet still.
Well, my love, it's up to you if you want to go meet her or not.
Meet her
Me
for
can't
what?
force.
Meet her for what?
Me just a say me can't force you.
What a dangerous girl.
My friend.
Yes, your friend. That's as far as I'm concerned. She is your friend or she was your friend. This girl come on me yard. Come tell me how she dey look for her mother, Patricia. And my name is Patricia. Your friend. She's a liar and she's a thief. Me take me ears, me 2 ears them where God give me, and hear her the talk. Or you tell her about your mother where you hear about. And where you hear see your mother name and where your mother give up for adoption and everything. And me can't believe that the girl take your story and come use it for me. So me so happy and glad now. Say me find back my daughter. Me not even did want just listen to me, my baby. Me I talk to you. Me so happy and glad now. Say yes, me find back my daughter at the time when she come on me gate. Cause me really when they question her on me gate, you know. Because me know say me give up you as a baby, toddler. Baby with a palm breast. But my daughter, me not tell her no lie.
Well,
Yesterday them call you Sky. I soon give you time for that. But this girl, me can't believe say me take her in and feel say you. She wicked and thief and lie. She's a dreadful liar and a wicked thief. Me no know how comes you find them their friend there. Me say from me see the girl a thief. And I tell me say no she. Me know say. I never feel me pick me, but me never too sure still. So me have to just hold it because me know say me give up. Me give you up. So me think say you is she.
my friend, she wicked. She disappoint me. Me know say she a thief, but so wicked. She's an unfriendly friend. Me disappointed in her she. But anyways, I'm glad you're still alive. And now you're here.
And me know say the name where your foster mother give you. I chose she foster you make you get that name then. The right name is Abri.
Abri.
Yes, Abri. It's not Sky. Abri. So if me now figure change your name in your father real name, it because dirty worthless man where make me have to give you away. Because he leave me in a sufferation with you. And the reason why me have to give you away is because me did want you grow up as any other rich people pitney. Nice and happy and alright. Me never want you to suffer, my baby.
So try with me.
I was trying with you, but it ain't work. Cause when me walk and wash people dirty clothes, then they give me what they feel like. Cause true me not educated. Me not no subject for go get no big job in no office. Me have to clean up people dirty yard, wash them dirty clothes. It still couldn't work. So me never want to wait until you reach the age of going to kindergarten. Because me know it wouldn't work out. Your father, he was a hard working man. But him no want mind you. You have to send this one you. He left your palm me. Me never have no other choice more than giving you up for adoption. So me dey ask you again. My daughter Abri, forgive me. Me sorry about everything that happened. But in a one way, in a real life, I am happy that you, Abri, grew up and passed the worst. And thank God say me did give you up for adoption. Because I couldn't, me I tell you the truth, me your mother, but me couldn't afford it. Me couldn't afford it. So me ask you to forgive me in your heart, say me give you away, but me never have other choice. Me not have no other option. You understand?
Okay. Alright, so I forgive you.
Abri, me know you're not used to the name, but Abri, me did call you when you're just born and in a hospital.
So nice name.
This is a new beginning. Come on, let me walk over this one. What you want to eat? You feel like you want something to eat?
Pizza.
If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Donette Campbell is the person you should reach out to. You can visit her website or you can give her a call right now. Donette Campbell.
You see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. See the number up on his shirt. You know what I say? He has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me don't need that, me don't need that. It's not no Viagra. You know what I say? It's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use, make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right?
My name is Gregory Wilson, and I'm a poet and a writer. There are two books I have entitled Dead Portraits in a Living Room and I Shall Sing and Dance in the Rain. You could get these on Amazon and other online bookstores. Also, you could head over to my YouTube channel and listen to my works, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell that you may get works that I've been putting out periodically. The poem that I'll be doing now is Inside the Wardrobe of a Word. I'd like to hide inside a word. Though I may not be heard, I'd still be expressed somehow. I'd like to fly inside the head of a bird and sing the song I'd often heard the bird singing. But the song inside the bird, which began as a word, has been sung before, known, predictable. I'd like to say some things that have never been said before. I'd like to sing a song of clouds clapping, rainbows running, flowers frolicking, and the sun smiling at the whole world, locked inside a dance, inside the wardrobe of a word.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. It's always a pleasure of mine to say thank you, because we create this content and we want you to enjoy them, to watch them, and to feel a sense of a message is there for you, because that's the whole reason of us creating this content, is just to bring awareness to a lot of situations and a lot of scenarios that happen in our real life. So thank you very much for watching. All right, let's talk about a few things. All right, we always try to make sure so we don't forget 1010, because she's still here. You know what I mean? I say, even though you might not see her in the movies, them, she's still about, you know what I mean? I say, she, the home, still take care of herself, because they don't know health is important, and for her to be in a 100% healthy state is that she have to ensure that she take care of herself so she can come back on the movie for you guys. So keep her in your prayers, and we'll always make sure so we still talk about the fact that she still needs to do that surgery. We are far away from where we need for the financially, but at the end of the day,
she's still alive. She's okay. You know, I haven't talked to her probably for a week or two now, but you don't know it already. We still a pray for her, and we're still a champion her on. And also, we want to say super thank you. And we have a little thing what we just talked about earlier in the video. Janet Campbell. Yeah, man. So she have our little real estate thing, but she have push from the US side. So if you're interested and you want a brand new house, link her up. She can sort you out, you see me? So big up yourself. Thank you very much for watching. We love to create these content for you guys. And you know, the sky's the limit. A lot of people reach out to me, oh, we don't see no video from when. We still are putting in the work. Don't feel like we stop. We're always at work. So keep on supporting, share up the video. The only way we're going to see if we can get back ourselves in the 100,000 bracket and the 200,000 bracket now the viewership is if you guys share up the video and tell people about the video. So I say, and don't forget, before I go, you know, also some mention of a gentleman who is a poet and also a writer. He has some books out there. You can check him out on Amazon. And we just have create one YouTube channel for him too. So I want to subscribe to his YouTube channel and show him some love. So thank you very much for supporting and catch you guys in the next video.